How's it going, guys? RC Hobbies Steve here. Today on the workbench we have the all-new Element RC Enduro trail truck. All thanks to TowerHobbies.com. I was able to purchase one. They had one in stock, so I went ahead and grabbed it along with another vehicle, which you'll be finding out on Monday when it arrives what that will be. But today we'll be unboxing this bad boy and talking a little bit about it and its features. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the box around and cue the intro, and I'll catch you afterwards. Alright guys, so along the top of the box here we have some specs and some chassis features here. I'm going to go ahead and show you the specs real quick. So it is a 110 scale RC. It has a 5-slot brushed motor. It is an electric RC. The width is 12.3 inches, so your standard wheelbase for your average trail truck. It comes with stamped steel chassis, and it's 3-link front and a 4-link rear suspension. So the front does have a panhard bar. It is obviously a 4-wheel drive truck, and it also comes with these awesome 1.9 General Grabber X3 compound tires. It has a reedy speed control and a XPI 30 radio. It does also have a 1320 milligram Metal Gear waterproof servo, which is awesome. The gear pitch is a 48 pitch gear system. It has 1.9 method beadlocks ready to run. The shocks are threaded aluminum, and the truck also contains metal ball bearings, which is awesome. So one thing that caught my eye about this truck was the transmission. So the transmission stock it has no overdrive, so it has all these extra gears. Some are plastic and some are metal, but it does come with your optional 11.83% overdrive gears, which is really good. So that's awesome. So again, like I said, comes with your reedy electronics, which is the motor and the ESC. And then you have your waterproof 2.4 gigahertz servo here. And then also another cool feature about this truck is it has behind the axle steering, and it has aluminum steering plates, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this for you guys and show you what the truck looks like. I'm gonna see if I get my wife real quick so she can see it as well. And yeah, I'm looking forward to what this thing looks like in person, because my friend has it already and I've seen a bunch of pictures of this vehicle, and I like the way it looks. I have some brilliant ideas for it. Of course, I'm gonna fab up some stuff out of steel just to make it my own. I don't think I'm going to be keeping the body, but I might keep it for now because I don't really like Lexan bodies. I'm more of a hard body person, as you guys can tell from the stuff that I buy, the bodies I buy. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, get my wife so I can open this up. Alright, got my wife with me in the background.
Hey guys.
You can already see the little garage piece box, pretty cool. So many of you may know that the inside of the box is also a garage where you can take pictures of the truck, which is pretty awesome. Just place this here real quick. I'll show you the inside of the box. So inside of the box is also a garage. So you break it open, which is pretty cool. And then here I have the manual, and I believe some stickers. Alright, get this out of here. Two things here. Alright. Alright, so here it goes, guys. Here's the truck. Oh, this thing is nice. Really cool. Alright. So there you go. Molded front grille. Have that Stealth X transmission. Your General Grabber tires. Feel pretty cool. My wife is going to take off the clips for me. While she's doing it, I'll talk a little bit about the radio. Alright, so here we have the radio. It says XP 130, not I-30. And then all your trims on the top. And then of course this is a 3-channel radio, which is pretty awesome. So you have your 3-positional switch there for your servo. I mean, not your servo, your servo winch if you decide to get one. And then you have the manual for the radio here, and your bind plug as well. Again, owner's manual. So I believe this is a replica of a truck that go ahead, babe. You need to cut the tape from the bottom. Oh. This is a replica of an old truck. They kind of replicated a manual from an old truck. And inside you also have a bunch of awesome scale stickers, which these are really cool. Like, I love off-road, I love mud, I love fishing. So a couple cool features that this truck comes with. And then another bag, of course, you have your optional overdrive gears, your servo horn, body post, and a bigger tray for your bigger batteries. Now I use full-size batteries, but I also have small 3S batteries, so I have to see if this small 3S battery is the right size for the battery tray that's in the truck. So while my wife takes off the zip ties from the box, I'm just gonna pause here till she finishes so we can review the truck. Alright, so it is finally out of the box completely. My wife has removed the body pins. Now, one thing that we already see here is we have some front headlights, which is awesome. It comes with it. And then off the ESC, I believe, you have your plugs for your lights, which is awesome. Get some focus there. Alright, so now you have your little Stealth transmission, which is nice, and it's pretty big, so it's pretty cool. You have your little body clips holding your side mirrors, which do open and close. It's a cool added feature. Nothing else about the body that's that important. So you do have your aluminum threaded shocks. The suspension is nice and smooth. You also have your aluminum inner drive shaft piece. I don't know what that piece is called, but nice and sturdy drive shaft. I've never broke any of my wild board drive shafts, which this kind of looks like, so I don't think this is gonna break anytime soon. So just to check real quick, so my battery is slightly bigger than the battery tray, but I can just modify the battery tray so it can fit this size battery, if anything. So I do plan on just using the 3S batteries. So right off the bat, I can tell that this is going to be a sturdy truck. Suspension looks great. You have all aluminum links down below. Steering link is aluminum as well. One thing I do not like that I already see is that the servo horn is plastic, but luckily I do have, I believe I have a spare one somewhere, probably in my parts bin, that's aluminum, so I'm going to change that out so that way I don't strip anything. But it's nice and smooth. What do you think? Yeah? And the tires look amazing. This is General Grabber, also comes with bead locks, which is cool. Never had a RTR that came with bead locks before, so that's pretty awesome. Rear bumper is really big. There we go. So right off the bat, I noticed the rear bumper is huge. I did buy some square steel tubing, so I'll probably make a new rear bumper, and I'll make sure it's nicely tucked underneath the body, just to add that weight to the rear. And of course, I'm gonna make a steel bumper for the front as well. You already have your fair lead for your servo winch if you want to use a servo winch. I have a regular 1.9 Warn winch, so probably use that since this truck does contain a 3rd channel servo.
How do you feel about the tires?
The tires, they're really, they look really cool. They remind me of my KM3s, the BF Goodrich KM3s. So I have no doubts about these doing bad on the trail. I'm pretty sure these going to do really well. The flex is really good. Everything is nice and smooth. I like how the tires tuck underneath the body. That's nice and scale. Same for the rear. I plan on just keeping these tires on this truck. Slight modifications. The only modifications I think I'm going to really do is a roll bar for the back. So just something small, and then 2 pieces coming down, just to strengthen the rear a little bit after it rolls over. I don't want to get it scratched up. I'll probably do a small roof rack. I really like the body, so I might not change it at all. And it does come with LEDs, so let me just plug in the battery and test those out. I have no clue what kind of plugging. Oh, awesome! It comes with the Deans, so that is really helpful to me. So let's plug this in the right way, and then let's get the remote. So I don't want to turn on. So I don't think it comes with batteries. So it doesn't come with batteries. So let me go ahead and find some batteries real quick, and then I'll come back to the truck when I have the batteries. Alright, so the remote is powered up. I had to borrow some batteries from my other truck, so I'm going to go ahead and plug it in for the first time. There we go. My wife is going to shut off the lights. Pretty cool. Some nice scale lights. They're not too bright, so I'm definitely going to have to get some lit LED lights for this truck, or borrow the lights from my YJ truck and throw them on here, which I think that'll do a whole lot better than these lights. And then just take the plug that's off of these lights and throw it on there. But I can already tell that the plastic piece over here is bending off, so I just have to make sure I check everything is okay. Tighten the screws a little bit. But let's just check. Steering. Nice and smooth. Nice and quiet and smooth. So far I like it. So
how about the remote? All the switches and stuff.
Yep, I already got through the remote. So I think next video is going to just be an overall review of my thoughts of the truck, and some things I need to change that I think I need to change. If I do decide to do the overdrive on the gears, then I'm going to go ahead and do a video on that. But for now, I'm just going to test it as stock to see if I like the bumpers and steering and all that other good stuff. So thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like. Comment if you do have any questions. I'll try my best to answer any questions that you guys may have. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to catch more content. Thanks.